mga IRing BAnbanon, no? Welcome back my YouTube channel. So, tonight I have to put something in my face, no? Maglagay ako ng moisturizing and something to make my face glossy and looks yan. IRing BAnbanon, take a look. So, ito yung gamit ko na moisturizing, no? Sa akong derma. So this is every night, no? Gamay lang siya. Konti lang. Sorry. Konti lang siya. So, magsalita ako ng Tagalog ngayon kay akong mga followers and subscribers no, nag-request sila to mag-Tagalog ko, especially to Mercy. Akong subscriber na siya. She's my friends here in Dubai. So I have to use this one. So for massage, so madali lang to siya para ma-stretch yung skin mo sa face. So, thank you mga IRing BAnbanon. No? Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Don't forget to share, comment, and follow my YouTube channel, mga IRing BAnbanon. Good night, every night. Bye-bye, everyone. Take care and God bless. Be safe.